So I will, so kindly I will be explaining it again because there's so many people are coming, going and all. So this is very, very important concepts. So I will be explaining here. Just you see. So complete string is T and pattern string is P. Okay. So you are going to search for the pattern in the complete string. What is the pattern we have taken? It is NATH. And what is the complete string you have taken? It is this particular string. So what happens in the brute force algorithm means if the first character is matched in the complete string, okay, first character of the pattern is matched with a complete string, then only the second character will be matched, will be checked, okay. Until the first character is not matched, so second character in pattern will also be not matched here. Understood? So that is the concept you are having. So that's why I'm telling you. So what is the first character in pattern? It is N. N is matched with D. No. So N is matched with second character, third character, fourth character. Finally, when you come with a nth character, see here, N and N both are matching. Now the pattern string will be incremented by one position. So what is the second character you are having? N. So N should match with, A should match with A. So when both are matching, then only the pointer in pattern string and pointer in full string is being incremented. Okay. So when both are matched, you increment. When both are not matched, only increment, move the pointer in only the pattern string. Okay. So understand the carefully when you are going to increment. So when the first character, when the pattern and the terminal string are matching, then we move the pointer, increment the string by one. Okay. So if there are not matching, only the pattern string will be keep on incrementing. Understood? So thus the total 4 characters are matched and is equivalent to length of P. And in which iteration? Compare for 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. It's in 11th iteration of I. So index of P in T is 11. So at which index it is starting? It is starting at the 11th index. Okay. So now you come for the particular algorithm. Okay. So when you are going to match and when you are not going to match, you have to see it here. Okay, this is the algorithm we have taken. So go with the first step. So input the string P of R and T of S. So P is the pattern string of R characters and T is the complete string of S characters. Okay, so first you start from I is equal to 1 to S minus R. So that means matching the character from first position to R minus S position. So it is matching the character from first position to R minus S position. So initially, understand, okay. So J is equal to 1 and K is equal to I. Okay. So when T of J is T is equal to T of K. Okay. What is P of J? Pattern string is equal to terminal string. Okay, what you will do, just you tell me, when pattern string is equal to terminal string, what you will do? Increment both the pattern string as well as terminal string. So that is the concept here. So what is pattern string here? J. What is the terminal string here? K. Okay. So when both are matching, what you will do? You will increment the pointer in both the complete string as well as pattern string. So that's why we have taken K is equal to K plus 1 and J is equal to J plus 1. So why, when you are going to do, when the both the strings are matching. When both the strings are matching, what you will do? You will increment the characters in both the terminals, input string as well as pattern string. So pattern string is incremented by J, input string is incremented by K. This is when both are matching. Okay. So next, so matching is finished. So all the characters are matched. So when all the characters are matched, J is equal to R. What is J? It is a pointer. What is R? number of characters in the pattern. So when number of characters in the pattern is equal to J, that means total number of characters is equal to R, then found is equal to true. That means the key substring is found. So, okay, so what you are doing here, kindly understand the algorithm. So it's very important here. So when both are matching, there is no case of unmatching. We are directly taking with matching. When both are matching, what you will do? You will increment K in terminal string and increment J. So up to where you have to increment the J until the last character of the pattern. So, and what is the last character of the pattern? It is R. So J is equal to R. So what you have to tell? Found is equal to true. Okay. So keep on, J will be keep on incrementing up to R. So R is the last character, total number of characters in the pattern string. So then you tell found is equal to true, else you take it as found is equal to false. Okay, so now all the things, now it has come out of the loop. Next, if found is equal to true, what should be printed? Print index of t, that is I. Okay, so here we have taken what is the index of p in t? It is 11. What is this 11? In 11th iteration, it is match. So see here, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th. So 11th is nothing but index where it is going to match it here. So here print the index of p in t, that is I, else not found. So this is the algorithm for brute force technique. So you got the algorithm. So very important. So that's why I'm telling you. Have you got this algorithm? So can anybody can tell when we increment so can anybody can tell when we increment both p pattern and string, when we increment both pattern and string, so when we are going to increment both the pattern and string, only when the first character matches. Okay, okay, so can, what is R? What do you mean by R? No, what is R value? End. Okay, you are telling it as end. Sorry, it's the, what is the R? So it will be the total, sorry, it will be the total number of characters. Okay, total number of matched patterns what you are having, that will be the R value. Okay, so I think, so what is T? What is J? J is a pointer for pattern or string. So what is J? It is a pointer for pattern or it is for string? Pattern. Okay. So you are good. I think you have got understood this particular. So J is the pointer for pattern and K is the pattern, it's a pointer for input string. Okay. So now that is the algorithm. Now you come for the program. So this is the program we have taken. If you have got understood the algorithm, then it is very easy. So first, this is the program for brute force implementation. Understood? So what is the brute force implementation you have taken? So first you start with the main program, two characters. First is str of 100 characters and sub str of 20 characters because it is a substring. Okay. So next you go with enter the string. So you are taking the string using getters. Next you go with enter the pattern to search. So again take the substring using getters. Now I call a function called string find. Call a function called string find. Find what? A substring in the given string. So what are the inputs for the string find? So one is the str, it is a complete string. The other one is sub str, it is another string. Okay, that is, this one is complete string and sub str is the pattern. So this is the function. So what we call, so this one is called as calling function. So this is called as it is calling the function which is outside the main. So where is the function? Come here. So string find of. So see here, there I have taken it as str, sub str. So here we have taken it as char t, char p. What is t? It is a complete string. What is p? It is a pattern string. Okay. So now first you take n. What is n? It is a complete length of the string t. So n means it is equal to what? K. Okay. So here this one is length of p. Length of p is equal to r. Okay. So n will go with a complete length of the string and m is the length of the p. Okay. So now you have taken a boolean variable found. Okay. So initially you start with 0 and less than n minus m. So okay, so j will start with 0 and k will start with I. So go with the same thing. If t of k double equals p of j, that means pattern string is compared with the complete string. So and t of k is not equal to null. What you will do? You will increment both j and you are going to increment both k. So keep in your mind, this one is enough. If t of k double equals p of j, that means in terminal string, the kth character in terminal string is equal to jth character in pattern string. So match will be occurred. So keep in your mind, so here it will be match will be occurred. So when match will occur, what you have to do? Increment both j as well as k. Okay, so now if j double equals m, so m means, so there I have taken j is equal to r. So what is r? Total number of characters in pattern. So in place of r, I have gone with the m. What is m? It is a total number of characters in pattern. So if j double equals m, found is equal to 1. Okay, so now you go with a pattern. Percentage found at index percent d. So in p comma I comma t. Okay, so how many you are having? Pattern is P, index is I, in percentage is where you are found in string. So found in string is given as T. So if found not equal, if not found, print it is not found. Okay, so now you go with this particular output. So I enter the string I have given like this. So first character enter pattern to search, you see it is NARE. Okay, so first compare N with N. Okay, it will match. So come for the second one, A with A, it will match. So come for the third one, R with N with R, it is not matching. So up to here, it will go out. So up to here, it will go. So now again compare N with A. So compare N with A, no match. So now you can start comparing N with N. So N with N, it will match. A with A, it will also match. And R with N. So see here, N character and here it is R character. So it is not matching. So again, you where it is not matching, you take from there. So N with N, A with A, R with R, E with E, both are matching. So at that time we take it as where are the matching strings? It is matching at sixth character, and again it is matching at 10th character. So see here, NARE is matched here. Okay, so again NARE is matched here. So that's why we take it as, so it is matched at index 6 and it is matched with index 10. Understood? Understood the brute force? So understood this particular brute force method? So just keep in understood the brute force method. So kindly go with a program and algorithm. So it's enough. If you are going with a program and algorithm, it's more than enough. So now you come for the second one. So first one pattern matching is brute force. Now you come with the next one, KMP algorithm, Nath Morris Pareto algorithm. Okay. So in this, a pre-processing is done in pattern string and an array of length m is calculated. So what you are going to do it here? So you are performing a pre-processing, you are going to perform a pre-processing in pattern string P and array of length M. So pattern string is P and array of length M is nothing but complete string. So array of length M, we take it as complete string. So this one is complete string. The basic idea behind is whenever we detect the mismatch, okay, after some matches, so first character will match, second character will match, and third character is not matching. At that time what we call it as mismatch. We already know some of the characters, okay, we take advantage of this information. So unlike, so go with this particular statement given in bold, very very important, where we slide the pattern by 1 and compare all the characters at each shift. We use a value from LPS to detect the next character to be matched. So idea is to not match a character that we know will anyway match. Okay, so what he is going to do, that we shall see in the next particular slide. So come for here. So see what you are going to do it here. So text and pattern. So you can easily understand here. So text and pattern. So first you are having this pattern. So pattern is So where it is found? So I will tell you what is LPS now. Okay. So at LPS now, that is first four characters. So 0th character, 1th character, 2th character, 3rd character. That is LPS. Okay. So now when you go with I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 0, now you see what happens. So you have to take the same thing in the previous what you have. So first four characters are there. So both the text and pattern is matching. If both are matching, what you will do? You will increment I as well as j. That is I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. Okay. Now your pattern, what is come for the next one? So take the same thing here. First characters are matched here. A and A are matched here. Now that is at 0 will move to the first location. So first location is I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. Where is I? It is in txt. Where is j? It is in pat. Okay, so if the second character is also matched, what you are going to do? Do I plus plus j plus plus. So I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2. So again you compare the same thing. If pattern I and j are matching, do I plus plus and j plus plus. So I is equal to 3, j equals 3. So now you come for the last one. Similarly, A is both are matched. I equals 4, j equals 4. So what is the pattern? Pattern, this is of how many characters? M characters. So text is of how many characters? It is of n characters. So it is of, so understand here, it is of n characters, and this one is of m characters. Okay, so when j double equals m, pattern found. Okay, so j is equal to lps of j minus 1. So what is the value you are having? 3. Okay, so here we, unlike naive algorithm, we do not match the first 3 characters. Okay, we are not matching the first 3 characters. Understood? So that is the concept. So it is showing the iteration how you are going to do. Okay, so when now you see what is lps value, you have got 3. Okay, so now you start with I equals 4 and j equals 3. So I equals 4 and j equals 3. So now you see same thing. If both are matching, keep on doing. So I keeps incrementing and j keeps. So this is the concept what we are going with a algorithm called Nath-Morris-Pratt algorithm, where you are implementing using the same brute force algorithm. So brute force algorithm, both the text and pattern will match. When both are matched, what you will be doing? You will be incrementing both I as well as j. So each one iteration you are going to show it here. Understood this one? So this is the algorithm. How this is algorithm derived from brute force algorithm only. So come for the program here. So this is the program what you are going to use it for Nath Morris. So I have taken this algorithm, but you have to understand only the algorithm. So understanding the algorithm is very, very important than this particular program. Okay. So first I have taken it as text string. Text string is this one and pattern string is this one. Where is the pattern string? Can anybody can see and tell? So pattern string is ABC, DA, BCY. So ABC, DA, BCY. Again you are having ABC, DA, BC is there. So here it is not matching. So where it is matching? In last characters it is matching. So it is matching at last character. ABC, DA, ABCD, ABCY. So again where it is matching? So it is matching ABCD, ABCY. So these are the patterns. Okay. So it is matching in 2 types. So first I will go with a KMP search of pat command text. So this is the algorithm we have taken. So algorithm which is used for search for a pattern. So same text you are going to have. So but the thing is you are allocating the memory. This can be done or may not be done also, but you are allocating the memory. So what is the condition? If pat above pat is equal to text, what you will do? You will increment both j as well as I. So keep on incrementing up to where? When j double equals m found. Okay. So at that time, this is for match algorithm, and this one if mismatch will occur, this is the code we are going to take it. Understood? So this is the part of the program. So you know how to find the LPS. So there for that, so I have already told what is the LPS here. So where the text is matching, that we call it as, so first and first are matching, zeroth characters are matching, first character is matching, second character is matching, third characters are matching. So we take it as LPS is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Understood. So how to calculate that LPS? This is the code. Calculate LPS. So initially LPS is equal to 0. Keep on I is equal to 1. If I less than M, what is M? M is the total number of characters in the input string. Okay. If pat of I double equals pat of len. If pattern of first character is equal to pattern of all the characters, then length plus plus. Okay, so this is the program that you have used. So this program you will get understand when we go with a program exam, when we execute that particular program. So it's, but for now you go with a logic, understand only the logic of the program. So that is this particular thing. So what are the characters? So this is the program. Just understand the concept. So not for the program. So just understand the concept of KMP. It's enough. Understood the concept? Understood? So when you come for the class, we shall execute in one by one. Okay. So this is the last topic of your module 1. So module 1 will complete here. Module 1 is completed. So those who have not filled any attendance, kindly fill it here. Okay. So in tomorrow's class, we shall go with the module 2, that is tax. Okay. Thank you.